Welcome back to another vlog with my mom.
Hi.
We are going to do a bit of Costco shopping today. I think it's been maybe about 3.5, almost 4 weeks since our last trip to Costco. So we're gonna check out, there you go, we're gonna check out what's new. Hopefully they are stocked because my mom and I did go to Costco. Actually, no, we went to Costco maybe 2.5 weeks ago, and they did not really have anything. There was barely any stock. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we will find some stuff.
Something. Okay.
Yeah. All right, let's go.
I think I forgot our list.
What? You forgot our list. Uh-oh. Hold on. Thankfully, somebody was home. So my dad sent over, or actually no, yeah, he had Jonathan take a picture of the list. So now we're gonna go Costco shopping. Oh, your mask, Mom.
I don't think I don't.
Yeah, but you should just wear it.
Yeah,
anyway.
that's true.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go shop. This is seriously what our backyard needs. One of these like big gazebos with the lights. We've been getting popcorners practically every single time we've been to Costco. Just trying to get something different today. Maybe this one, which we have gotten the past couple of times, or this, or Pringles. I found it. Hello Kitty and Friends dry noodles. I kind of feel like this is probably just aesthetically the box and maybe the packaging, but inside is most likely not going to be Hello Kitty themed or Hello Kitty and Friends themed. $9.49. Alright, cool. So they have the Boba Bam Instant Boba Pack. 12 packs. This is ready made. You can make your own boba in 60 seconds. These are $11.39. The brown sugar bar. Brown sugar boba, frozen dessert bars. Those are good. Oh my gosh, I wonder if these are good. Raspberry, peaches and cream, lemon, yuzu, pistachio, blueberry, intense chocolate. Wow. Ugh. I have such a sweet tooth. It looks good. Debating on trying these. It's a 16 pack of Waterloo sparkling water. Let me know if you guys have tried this. $7.99. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Hopefully there's not a lot of wind. Quick little Costco haul. Of course, we need to get the organic roasted seaweed snacks. I believe these were $9.99. Kind 20 bar variety pack, salted caramel dark chocolate almond and sea salt. We really do like these. Finally saw it at Costco. These are the grain-free cinnamon chips, churro strips. These are so freaking good. It's like a little dessert, but guilt-free. Some Puma socks for 10 bucks at the pastels, the pinks. I love these types of socks because they are a little bit thicker, and these are also the moisture wicking, so pretty good. Omeprazole for Jonathan, Kirkland brand. Cage-free eggs. Some chicken thighs. 30 pack of toilet paper. Chicken bake. Another chicken bake, and a hot dog. One of the chicken bake paper bag packaging just kind of split apart. Thankfully, we saved it. We're at our next stop, which was very unexpected. We're at TJ Maxx. Technically, we don't need to be in the purse area, but hey, we're already here, right? These would have been so cute. They're Juicy Couture shorts. In a pink. Look at the back. This one doesn't say Juicy, only on the gray side, but they don't have my size. Damn. So it is the next day, but I just wanted to make sure we close out the vlog, and I wanted to share with you what I ended up purchasing from TJ Maxx. Besides the, well, these are from Costco, the Costco socks, which I'm gonna wear today. I mean, these are just so cute. I love the pastel. If you guys ever see these in your local Costco, highly, highly recommend. They are some of my favorite socks from Puma. Let me just share with you really quickly what I ended up getting. Just some of my skinny syrup. This one is the white chocolate mocha. 0 calories, 0 sugar, 0 carbs. Tried it this morning and it was delicious. So highly recommend if you guys see this at your local TJ Maxx, Home Goods, Marshalls. Comment below if you guys have any recommendations on any skinny syrups to try out, because it seemed like they were pretty much out of skinny syrups. Just unboxed really quickly some PR packages. The first one is from Blvd. Did unbox a really kind PR package from them a few months ago. You know, I'm really curious to see what is in here for the month. Let's see, what did we get? Ooh, these are cute. Oh, this is these are cute, but this one is definitely very sexy. So this is basically just like a G-string undergarment. And I like the back of this. I also like the print, right? It's just, we just got one thing going down the back, but I've been into wearing more thongs as of lately. Normally have been wearing more like cheeky bottoms, but then thongs have kind of been my thing. It's in a size small and I love the design and the print of these. So I think it will be a good little addition. Thank you so much to Blvd for sending this over. One from Revlon, and I'm curious what's in here. Let's go ahead and open it. Oh, it's color silk, beautiful color, little hair clamp, and it has Revlon right at the top. So this is going to be very, very handy because most of the time when I'm at home, always have my hair up. And then they sent over color silk, beautiful color. This one is number 30 dark brown, 100% gray coverage, #1 in the USA. It's also ammonia free with keratin. The other one is 27 rich brown, color 10 black. Optimal color blend formula, no drip for best at-home color application. Easy to use, no mess with precision applicator tip. And it says 3D color gel technology, liquid gel colorant for multi-tone results, ultra hydrating cream conditioner. And I already know who is going to benefit from this because my mom, she does color her hair at home, giving this to her. And then they also gave this, which is really cool. Oh, this is so cool. They even gave like a little cape thingy, you know, so you don't get the hair dye all over your clothing, and it says Revlon. That is so cool, very thoughtful. Thank you. Oh, and I like this. And look at this part right here. It's got like a little clasp, like kind of like a bikini clasp. So you can put it around your neck. Thank you so much, Revlon. My mom is definitely going to be enjoying this. We're gonna go ahead and end the vlog here because we are going to be heading out and we'll be vlogging, so make sure you stay tuned for an upcoming vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with us for a bit of Costco shopping and a little PR unboxing. Really, really, truly appreciate you guys so much. I hope you guys have been well. Please don't forget to comment down below if you guys have tried those Hello Kitty noodles at Costco. Also the Waterloo sparkling drink. Would love to hear your thoughts. So we hope you enjoyed hanging out with us for this vlog. If you did, please make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be part of the Chickie crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy. We will see you in the next vlog. Mwah.